If any student's NEET score is very low, then they face different kind of difficulty to get admission in MBBS. First of all, they don't even get the informations of which all states and which all colleges they might be having possibility to get the admission. In this confusions, sometimes they fall under the commitment of different consultant and they face difficulty later on. For that purpose, in this video, I am giving you the complete informations in case if your NEET score is low also, but if you do the counseling with proper strategy or proper plan, and if you participate in counseling in the right time, even though if your NEET score is very low also, still you can get MBBS seat in this year. Give an example. Suppose if you attended this NEET exam and in your score is around 200 or 250 or even below that also. There are many students, they maybe attempted the questions and they got very high negative marks, very high questions negative marks has done, and due to that their complete score became very low, maybe 250 200. Now that time the parents feel instead of wasting another year, let's give admission this year. But the question is where they can get, which all colleges they can get admission in this low score. In today's video, I'll be giving you the informations in 2024, which all colleges cutoff goes very low. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all important and relevant information regarding admission in 2025. So let's start with the informations of those colleges whose cutoff goes very low in 2024. First, I will tell you the college which is located in Tamil Nadu. The college name is Meenakshi Medical College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Their cutoff, lowest cutoff was 216 in 2024, and their fee structure including hostel is approximately 1 crore 11 lakhs. This is Meenakshi Medical College cutoff. Next is Vinayaka Mission Karaikal. Karaikal is in Pondicherry. Vinayaka Mission is having two campuses. One is in Salem, another is in Karaikal. Vinayaka Mission Karaikal cutoff score was 215 and total fees is around 1 crore 5 lakhs including hostel and all. Next is Vinayaka Mission Salem. Vinayaka Mission Salem cutoff score was 193 and total fees is around 1 crore 66 lakhs in this range including hostel. Next is ACS Medical College in Chennai. In ACS Medical College, cutoff score was 190 and total fee 1 crore 11 lakhs 15,000 including hostel. Approximate fee structure I am talking about. Next is Adupadai Vedu Medical College, which is in Pondicherry. Their cutoff score was 186 and total fee is 1 crore 18 lakhs in complete 5 years including hostel. Next is Varak Medical College, which is in Chennai. Their cutoff score was 180 and total fees is 1 crore 21 lakh 50,000 approximately. Next is C Balaji Medical College, Chennai. Their cutoff score was 173 and total fees including hostel 1 crore 29 lakhs 37,000 approximately 1 crore 30 lakhs. Vail Medical College, which is also in Tamil Nadu, their cutoff score was 160 and the total fee is 1 crore 13 lakhs approximately. Sri Lakshminarayan Medical College, Pondicherry, their cutoff score was 147 and the total fee is 1 crore 6 lakhs approximately. So 147 means in 2024 the student got eligibility under category. Even this score was not eligible for general category student. The student got eligibility under category. Next is Sri Satyasai Medical College, which is in Kanchipuram, their last cut-off score was 135 and 1 crore 24 lakhs 41,000 approximately is the fee structure. Now here I want to tell one information to the student. You should listen very carefully. In counseling process, few things is very important. You should know what is the strategy and the counseling and exactly which round you have to take admission. Now, many student might be who has got any particular college in round 1 or round 2, but they didn't take admission. Later on, they didn't get admissions. So you should also know which round you have to take admissions in all India counseling or even in the state counseling. So you can get an idea, even though if your NEET score is less also, but if you know how to handle the counseling process, how to strategize the counseling process, still you can get the MBBS seat even your score is low. Regarding that, if you are looking for complete counseling guidance, you can contact me in this number 9900486666. I will guide you completely from beginning till joining of the college. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of this video. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel without fail. In case if you feel this video is helpful for you, you can share this video with your friends also. Thank you so much, students.